Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of JavaScript coding shorthand techniques. Today we are going to learn about these template literals. So in the previous JavaScript, what we are using to concatenate the strings, we are using the plus operator and the variable names to concatenate the strings, right? Sometimes we miss the comma, sometimes we miss plus operator, and for like sometimes we want to add like comma, double quote strings, dot, so we have to add the plus operator with that variable, right? But in the template literals, it makes us more simple, readable and concise form that we can use it in a shorthand JavaScript techniques. Okay, so this is the longhand that is, you can see that. Okay, so my name is variable, and this, if I go and just console.log that one. Okay, so here we go with this welcome. My name is John Doe, right? So for the template literals, it can be like this. So template literals can be bind into one backtick. So here you need to add the backtick over here. Whatever the string you want to add, you can add. And if you want the variables to concatenate, that can be that can be added with the help of the expression dollar, curly braces and the variable name. So whenever you want, like my name is like this one, and the last name you can also add, and the last name just add like simple text. If you want to concatenate, just use this dollar braces and this, and the last you need to just add it over here, right? And if I go and just copy this one, console.log this one, it will print that one. So here we go with this one. So let me add my template data strings, and here you can see that declaration of the const name. I don't know where it is, multiple declarations. So const name is multiple declaration. Name, age, and this I can remove this one. Let's add this one. Okay, so here you can see that my name is John and the last name is Doe and the year 25 years old, right? So this is very easy. What is the more like you can features of the template literals? They are more readable, easier to write than long strings. Okay, so in spite of, like, you can see that they are long strings, you can writing but just adding the concatenated strings, they are more readable. You can see that readability is more. Okay, they allow you to embed expressions inside string literals using the dollar expression syntax. We already talked about this, right? They can be used for multi-line strings. Okay, you can see that if I want to send a message and I want to, like, like wrap up this syntax like this, I want to send this message like this, right? So I can use this multi-line strings, which eliminates the need for escape characters, right? So whatever the message looks like, it automatically sends like this. Okay, so don't need to like formatting and all. Okay, so if I want to format this string, so I need to like add a break tag or something, but by default there is a multi-line strings. You can see that it will print like this. Let me copy and paste this and show you. Okay, here you can see that hello in the first syntax. So whatever the syntax you're writing over here, automatically it prints like this, right? So this is one more advantage of that one, that can be used for multi-line strings, which eliminates the need for the skip characters, right? So this is how, if we go with the longhand, that is a plus operator, that is more not concise, and not more readable form. Okay, so you can use the template literals if you are using the ECMA part, React, Angular, that they all are playing the role of a modern JavaScript, right? So you can use that way and play with around it. So any doubt, any query in that, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.